Sir, gablak ka, sir.
Video na, recording ko. Wala ba?
Ay, nag-record. Wala na ko nakuha, nag-view. Thank
Reminders, players, please move sa kanilang mga accessories, sa earrings, game pass, and facing. Please go remove the lines of mga accessories. Thank you. Giving 5 minutes to round up.
Warm up.
Kanina po sa mga accessories na kwintas, alipis, singsing, balikas.
Ay, di na lang po. Wait, duty. Na.
Naging players, namin ang kanyang suwak pagpintas. Ayun po yun.
Live ka? Sikan na, sugo ko niya.
Ang
karangay, video na kayo.
magkaigo sa atong respective area. Again, magkaigo ka mga guys sa atong respective area. Thank you. Three minutes remaining time. Two minutes and 30. Free throw. Okay, requesting all the players proceed sa center, Mississippi and Balancing Blue Eagles. Please proceed sa katanan, also the captain ball. Okay, requesting everyone to gather sa center, tanan, AS team. Ano, players gather, tanan players. Current players. Joshua player.
Dali-dali ito rin, no? Una maingat mo sa tanan. Pasalamat sa nato sa ato ng mga ground. Nagyata ka ng ubanatan niya sa ato pagbulang-bulang ng lain na ito. And then, isip tayo pasalamat na. Then, Mr. Tuntun Coral and his family, no? Isa yung kami sponsor sa inyong padula. Kami pasalamat sa ating kari-kari. O sa Almirante Shield, no? Kami po mga pasalamat kay pinag-kapiligan na itong uban. Hanggang karoon, wala ko yun, kami pag hindi nagbaon. So, asaran ko niya, updated lang din, no? Sa inyo, sa mga bagong palaot sa referee, no? Siguro rin ko, siguro na ito, natin mo kalibutan, gandar ko na diya sa FIBA rules, no? Diyan ka sa FIBA rules, tanan, kasi kasa mo, FIBA rules, hindi ang macho ng nasyonal. Ang mga nasyonal, mga NBA, sa itong PBA, dahil na sila mga rule, kumora ko na excited ka pa, ang usa sa nakalayan sila ay hard sila. Kung yung 20% lang sa ato, umusin niya sana, ilang personal na time out na. No, di ba naman siguro niya na. Kung yung anong tumiin na ito sila for 2 weeks, na kita wala, kaya wala katubuti sa FIBA. No? Makita rin ito, Olympic, ang mga players sa NBA, paglagon na sila, kaya gumayon nila na hawin, paul na yun. Inuna ang FIBA amateur. So, naman tayo gulong sa FIBA. Ang Minis FIBA Federation International Basketball Association. Ako ay pasabot sa inyong pagkugulo. Katuhin ko ba sa 20 ang mga rong mga bago-list ang katong backing, no? Makasunod, kinaran, makasunod ang gulang ang tao para sa 2020. Upol dribble, no? Pag dribble mo, nabuyang mo mula, sa una, dili na dito pwede po dito. 2020, pwede mo po dito. Ayaw na dito balik, no? Pag shoot, dili kabot, sa una, wala pa 2020, dili na siya pwede mo kwaon. Pero sa 2020, basta dili na mo intention, pwede siya kwaon, no? Ang kicking ball, 2020, ditinipig niya po, intention ay harap na tawag ka kicking ball violation. Ang atong traveling is sa una, yung 2020, nagikan lang sa 1, 2, 3. Pero nagikan na yung 0, 1, 2, 3. Hindi na dili pa magkatulong, hindi mo si country, release the ball. Ha? Karong 2025, naipito ko bago nilang pasulot. Hindi ako lagi dito kasi gusto mo din na may bawa ninyo ang mga bagong rules. No? Pero dili kayo effective sa ito. Ako sa nagsumot at effective February 1, ang bagong balaot mo ni. Kanang managers, appeal na sa managers coaches, appeal na sa balaot kung doon ay magpaliga. Kung doon ay magpaliga na wala nasubay sa balaot sa referee. Doon, pagkapoy na sila mo pagkabili na mo ang inyo. So, kung na siya karoon, itubutan na siya karoon. Dili pwede yung mga, wala po pwede. Dili po pwede kay amo yung balaot. So, dili na siya karoon pwede. Pwede na magkakakuha ng mga managers coaches na. Kung na problema, kadua. Kung out of the field ka, sa una, iwala ka sa beans. Karoon pwede na. Kada ka sa beans. Kung kuwan ka, coach ka, play coach, pwede rin akong ka coach. Pero di necessary magsabak-sabak ka. Kung tanaw sa referee nga, nakapagpapins ka o niya, kasabak-sabak ka sa iyong beans, automatic na di kayo paggawas. Ikatulo, ang pag-shoot sa mula, penalty difference, no? Kaya pag-shoot sa mula sa una, ginawin mo ang o sa paon mo ang kuhan, violation na, karon ilang yata kayo disipin. Kung ang mula wala na kapas, nga mo shoot, pag itsa mo wala na kapas mo shoot, pwede na nyo nagbiraw ng ball, sa pato ng ball, pwede biraw ng net. Wala na itawag sa referee, basta ang mula, wala na kapas nga mo shoot. Ha? Muna ba ang balls nila karon? Kung hindi katawag ka na, pag nalanong nyo, may kayong bula. Kung saan nakatawag ka na. Ang ikaw patis, during last 2 minutes, no, ang outer control sa bola, ang inbounds, dito at pag sa korte. No, dito, bukas ang bench dito. Pero karoon di mo lang upat. Dito, diya, dito. So, upat na karoon ka, inbound mo, gamo na magpili, asa mo dili mo mapita. Ay, shooting mo rin, yung gatakili na mo, yung gatakili na, magapili na mo. So, nagbuhan na yun, dito lang yun, ang dito, last 2 minutes. Ang ikalima is dili na kayo sa effective, no? Pag shooting mo, kapag ibang mo sa mula, na emergency na nasagpaan sa inyong kumpra. Dili sa 3 points, nasagpaan na kapadalong sa inyong ring na na shoot. Ang counting na dili 3 points kayo, humigan ang iyang dili sa 3 points. 2 points na ang dialaw. Basta yung ng mga cases, no? Dahil, ang ikalong, muna dahil ito. Kung panalita ka, dribble ka na rin, na imong bawat rin, nasagpig imong mula, automatic skipping. Kung sa imong kontra, ditikit na kayo imong mula sa iya, niya sa kawas, tawagan na rin sa referee kayo, so, basta mo Hello. Ang ikapito, no? Muna ang yung yapon. Ang ikapito na ni. Pag ipaw mo sa bola, wala pa ganun pa sa bola, wala ko ma-release sa regular, ipaw na nimo ang isang player. So una, anspo na siya. Anspo. Karon, wala na nila nag-anspo. Di-technical na lang. So, wala pa ma-release ang bola, ipaw na automatic technical na ang bola. So muna ang mga kabaguan, pito kabaguan, I hope na Sir Tural, gusto mo ginagawa ng activities ang inyong mga player. So, magandang salamat o bayong hapon.
Let the battle begin between Team Blue Eagles versus Music Team.
First five.
First five, report to the center. From Team Blue Eagles, jersey, wearing jersey number 13, Mr. Ibanez. Jersey number 18, Mr. Labor. Jersey number 5, Mr. Guevara. Jersey number 3, Mr. Marte. And jersey number 71, Mr. Curtis. UCCB first five, report to the center. Jersey number 9, Mr. Reyes. Jersey number 11, Mr. Taba. Jersey number 23, Mr. Ridundo. Jersey number 18, Mr. Diano. And jersey number 22, Mr. Ricardo. Report to the center. And our official referee is Mr. Bernaldez, Mr. Rocco, and Mr. Yaba. And our official scorer, Mr. Joshua Alaman, and Miss Lover is Primadora. Miss Joshua rather. Wala lang si Mong Bird. Okay. Held by jersey number 71, Mr. Curtis and Mr. Ridundo.
Oh, di.
And our official time is 8 minutes per running time, 8 minutes running time per period. March. Ito po si Joshua. Covered by jersey number 13, Mr. Ridundo, and jersey number 71, Mr. Curtis. Mga sagbot guys, kayo.
Pagpan.
Jersey number 5, passing just lower. So Curtis, then shoot to the 2 points by Mr. Curtis. Jersey number 10, passing to the Ravens for completing. Passing to number 11. Then jersey number 10, to Mr. Ridundo. Waiting for completing. Passing jersey number 9. Extreme seconds, selection, ball position for Team Blue Eagles. Mr. Rivera, pass to Mr. Ibanez. Back to jersey number Mr. Rivera, jersey number 18. It's running violation, ball position to UCCP. Red time, 4 minutes. Mr. Ridundo, looking for some pivot. Passes to the range. Very much number 18. Jersey number 8, to the shoot. Remaining time 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Jersey number 9, Oliver Druid, looking for some opinion. 15 seconds to shoot. And 9 Jersey number 71, Jersey number 71, Sir Curtis, first person foul and first team foul, 10 Blue Eagles. Moving to the first round.
Relax lang.
Jersey number 18, with the first person to foul and first team foul, UCCP. To Ibanez, with the number 18. Time to shoot, no good. Rebound by jersey number 9, pass to jersey number 11. And there's a foul jersey number 18, Black Officer Moore. Committing first person to foul and second team foul, Team Blue Eagles. Remaining time 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Official score minus 2. UCCP. Time to shoot. No good. Steelers number 18. No good. Steelers number 9. Time to shoot. No good. He's stepping on the right by the same position.
Go!
4 minutes and 20 seconds. Official score finds 2, UCC, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Shot clock violation.
Wala. Gutok. Continue to. Continue to siya. Continue to siya, Kunman.
Ball position to UCCP.
Continue.
Ball position to UCCP. Remains at 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Ball position. Back to the center. Number 5, Mr. Gilman, first person foul, 13 foul, Team Blue Eagles. Remains at 3 minutes and 5 seconds.
Tikas, tikas.
Jersey number 2, Mr. Pacho, looking for Spain, passing to number 2. At this foul, jersey number 18, Mr. Lord, leading defense. Jersey number 18, warning for penalty, Team Eagles.
Nice.
No good. From Salomon. 150 seconds. No good. Steal. No down. Looks like same ball position. Substitution in out, jersey number 13, out, jersey number 18. Right time, 114 seconds. 114 seconds. So we still Martin, generation number 18. 130 seconds, 15 seconds to shoot. Student number 22, Mr. Parker. And there's foul, jersey number 22. Jersey number 22 with first personal foul and second team foul, Musa CP. Mr. Parker. The catcher. 1 minute and 5 seconds. To Mr. Church. No good. C. 15 seconds to shoot. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. Same ball position. 17 seconds shot clock. 49 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul jersey number 22. Jersey number 2 with second personal foul and 13 foul, UCCP. 22 seconds remaining time. Yes, sir. 1 point for jersey number 3, Sir Martin. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. The position of the team, the Eagles. 10 seconds, 12 seconds. 10 seconds. Remaining time, 5 seconds. 5 seconds remaining time.
Official scorer is Joshua and Mongrave. Please, Joshua. Official score 10-5 in favor of UCCP. At this ball, foul jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 with the first personal foul and first team foul, UCCP. Ibanez masuk kembali. Akan disuruh. Banyak foul jersey number 16. Ibanez. Mr. Bagay, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Look at Steelers number 10. And these balls all positions to UCCP. The race time is 20 seconds. To just number 2. 15 seconds to shoot. To just number 3. Ibanez on the 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. And ball position for UCCP. Official response to one more time. Substitution in out, jersey number 17, out, jersey number 14, Iban Pagaling, the race time 5 seconds. So Curtis, no good. Jersey number 10, Kumabalan, Republic jersey number 3, looking for Spain. Just number 2 and 7, personal foul and second team foul, UCCP. The race time 5 seconds. Ibanez, at the shoot, no good. Ibanez number 16. Jersey number 16, looking for some pain. Pass to number 94, at the shoot. Ibanez looking for some pain. 15 seconds to shoot. Come down. This number 16. Looking for some pain. Raise up 45 seconds. About to shoot. First person in foul and first free foul, Team So jersey number 16. Jersey number 16 looking for Supreme. Pass to jersey number 3, 15 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 2. The race time, 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Remember jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Looking for Supreme. Hindi ka nag-start jersey number 2. Time out for UCCP. Jersey number 10 with first personal foul. And second team foul to the Eagles. The race time 3 minutes and 36 seconds. And the official score is 19-7 UCCP. Back to the number, race time 3 minutes and 36 seconds. And the official score is 19-7 UCCP. Stay ball position for UCCP. Race time 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Mr. Tapero. Looking for Supreme. Passing to Mate. Yes, by Joshua Moore. 3 minutes and 20. 10 points lead by UCCP. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. And stay ball position. The race time 3 minutes. Thirty seconds.
Boarding, bagit.
Okay. Mr. Otoyabu. Congratulations, you received 300 pesos from Sir Toto. Congratulations. Sa mga sa mga Back to the moment, let's begin for the third quarter. Official score 26. Change score. Change score. Official score 26-15 in favor of UCCP. And ball position to Team Blue Eagles. Mr. Perez, Mr. Ricacho, yes, by Mr. Ricacho. Still Mr. Ricacho, and there's no foul. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 with first version foul, the first team foul, Team Blue Eagles. No kick for the first shot by Mr. Ricacho. Yes, sir. Mr. Ibanez on the job and the number is completed. 15 seconds to shoot. And shoot. No good. Number 20. See, goes to the back. Passes number 15. No good. Ball position to team Blue Eagles. The right side, 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Same ball position, members. Same ball position. UCCP. Team Dallas. To the center, pass to number 22. 200. Position number 15. Pass to position number. No good. Rebound on the same time. 15 seconds recess. Yes, 22 points. And team Great time, 6 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. It's surrounded by and ball positions to team Blue Eagles. The right time, 15 seconds. Official runs for 19-20 now, UCCP. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Number 5. Pass to Mr. Licacho. Number 2. Mr. Licacho is number 3. Yes, that's 2 points for pushing number 23. Mr. Licacho. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. To Mr. Diva. Yes, that's 2 points for Mr. Diva. 5 minutes and 10. 21-31. And same ball position. 16 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. There's 17 points by Mr. Licacho. This is number 16, Mr. Cabrera, the shot back to Mr. Milan. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Back to Mr. 15. Then Mr. Ibanez. Ibanez, number 22. Yes, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Same ball position. Remains on 4 minutes and 25 seconds. 22-33. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 20 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. It's Cleveland violation. Substitution out jersey number 3, out jersey number 1. To the team. Resign 4 minutes. And 3 seconds violation. Ball position to UCCP. The race time 3 minutes and 15 seconds. And there's a foul. Foul jersey number 16. And official score 33-28. 5-1 lead by UCCB.
Sila matubig.
Back to the line, Alexander, 35 seconds. An official score 28-33 in favor of UCCB. Mr. Ball position to UCCB. Race and 2 minutes. Change number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Vamos a la pena. Five seconds relation. Ball position to UCCB. Remains at 1 minute and 14 seconds. Jersey number 2, can you shoot? At mark, one foul. Foul jersey number 16. Mr. Rapel. Mr. Rapel with the third personal foul and 13th foul, Team Blue Eagles. Remains at 1 minute and 13 seconds. The set for the first crowd by jersey number 2. Yes, sir, 2 points. Race at 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 20. 5 seconds to shoot. Remaining time 58 seconds. In out position number 16, out jersey number 18, and in jersey number 71, out jersey number 16. 55 seconds. Remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. And there's still a foul, jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 with first person foul and second team foul UCCB. Remaining time 36 seconds. 36 seconds remaining time. Yes, sir, 1 point. 30 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Ball position to Team Blue Eagles. Remains at 20 seconds. 20. 15 seconds. And there's still a foul, jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 with ball. Official answer, 35-38, final save time, UCCP. 15 seconds to shoot. Looking for some winner, pass to Mr. Ibanez. 15 seconds to shoot. Penalty number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. And there's no foul jersey number 16. Jersey number 9, first personal foul and first team foul is UCCP. Remaining time now 6 minutes and 13 seconds. 19 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul, jersey number 5, Mr. Vidal.
Balik na ito.
First personal foul, first team foul, Team Blue Eagles. No good. Ball position to Team Blue Eagles. Remaining time. Ibanez. That is number 3. Ball position, substitution.
Official video. Isa na to.
Ha?
Isa na.
Back to the podium, remaining time just 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Official score 38-40, 2-point lead by UCCP. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 55. And this is substitution. Ball position to UCCP. Jersey 13, warning. For Declan. Release last 5 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. Ball position to Team Blue Eagles. Remain time, last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 4 minutes and 25. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul jersey number 22, Mr. Castro. Jersey number 2 committed third personal foul and second team foul, UCCP. 5 minutes and 48 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul jersey number 10, Mr. Villa. Mr. Villa committed third personal foul and warning for penalty, Team Blue Eagles. Warning for penalty, Team Blue Eagles. Remaining time 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 4 minutes and 15 seconds to shoot. Last 2 points. Remaining time last 4 minutes. So there is a special one position number 11. Jersey number 3. Time out to cross to Team Blue Eagles. Remaining time last 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Last 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Team Blue Eagles have one remaining timeout and Team UCCP have 2 remaining timeouts. Team Blue Eagles. Correction, Team Blue Eagles, you have 1 more timeout and Team UCCP have 2 remaining timeouts. Unofficial running time is 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Back to the ball, and remaining time last 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Joshua Mare, caliber number 11. Ball position to UCCP. Remaining time last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. And 2 points for jersey number 3. 3 minutes and 15. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 3 minutes. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 2 minutes and 20.
Oras.
15 seconds to shoot. Offensive. Offensive foul. Jersey number 23, Mr. Ritundo. Remaining time 2 minutes and 16 seconds. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Remaining time last 2 minutes. At my penalty foul, jersey number 23. Substitution. Mr. Ritundo with
Limita oras.
first personal foul and
Kaya oras ka, 38-47.
warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty. Yes, sir. 1 point by jersey number 71. Remaining time last 2 minutes. Yes, 2 points all by jersey number 71. 1 minute and 55 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 50. 10 seconds to shoot.
Labit oras.
5 seconds. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 1 minute and 3. 1 minute and 25. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Tabok lang, tabok. Tara, oh.
1 minute and 10.
Gamit oras pa. Time out. Oras pa, gamit na oras. 1 minute na lang, oh.
CCP.
Ayaw.
Remaining time last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Last 1 minute and 4 seconds. UCCP
oras.
is 1 remaining time now. Official score 27.
Sige na,
UCCP.
gamit na oras, 1 minute na lang.
Back to the one minute remaining time. Last 1 minute and 4 seconds. Prepare next. Team Laban versus Team Bayan, please prepare. Team Bayan versus Team Laban, please prepare.
Kana, pabor ka sana, nila pa yung bola.
Last 1
Oh, pikas.
15 seconds to shoot, 55 seconds.
Stop.
25 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. 30. Foul jersey number 30, Mr. Ibanez. Remaining time 26 seconds. On penalty.
Ayaw na.
20
Tina lang.
seconds.
30 seconds. Balik.
15 seconds.
Kaya,
10 seconds. Remaining time. 5 seconds. Congratulations, UCCP. Prepare next game, Team Bayan versus Team Labasan Warriors. Captain Ball, Bayan and Labasan, pwede po lista sa iyong mga players.
Oy, congrats!
Congratulations, Team UCCP.
Paldo, madali. Paldo. Ma'am Flor! Sayang sayo. Ayun lang ba ito na? Uy.
We would like to request the team, Mississippi, please take your fingers now because we're running out of time. Okay, Mississippi, players, come on! Talento, number 23, pictures up. Wala na nagbag ng picture pa para sa documentation. Players, Mississippi. Please, stop it. Come on there. Okay. Lights.